we came across a small camp uh, where uh, maybe a half a dozen barracks, and the SS guards set fire to the barracks with the people inside and machine gunned them as they tried to get out. Uh, they were gypsies, and the uh, and there were no orders, but we did not take any of them prisoners. The SS, by common consent, we just did, and that was also a defining moment. What this, you know, at that point, the Germans were surrendering every day by the hundreds. There was one time, the day or two before, we're going along the road and a company of Germans said, "We'd like to surrender." And our captain said, "Come back tomorrow. We don't have any more room today," because we'd have to guard them. And so we knew the war was being over. We now know that gypsy camp was a sub-camp of Dachau. Dachau had a bunch of sub-camps. And so this was a very moving experience, obviously.